So here we're going to talk about how we measure tree age, and we're here next to this Douglas fir with an increment borer, which consists of 3 parts. So we have our extractor. I usually put flagging on mine so I can find it in the woods if I drop it. And when I'm drilling a tree here, I'll just put it in a furrow of the bark so I don't lose it. So we have our extractor, we have our bit, and then we have our handle. And so how this goes together is we loosen the lock on the back here, we slide the bit in, and it locks onto the back so that we are all together. Now I've put beeswax on my bit. That just prolongs the longevity of the coating on it because these are fairly expensive to replace. You definitely don't want to drop them. You want this to be nice and sharp and so forth as it goes into the tree. So I'm on the uphill side of the tree here. I've pre-measured this tree in diameter. It turned out to be 21.5 inches at DBH. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn the increment borer into the tree, the diameter plus 1, so 21.5 plus 1 turns. So it usually takes a little bit. You got to kind of lean into the increment borer to get it going. But once it's going, it's ready to go. And so we're going to turn it, 1 whole turn, 1. There's 21. I'm gonna go 1 whole more and a half just to be on the safe side. And I'll take my extractor and I'm gonna slide it in with the half rounded part up. So you wanna be careful not to push this too hard. You don't wanna bend them. A lot of people will bend it here at the end just because they push it too hard to the very tip. So I get my extractor in there. Now I'm gonna do 1/2 turn back out to the left here. So turn it 1/2 turn, and then I'm going to pull my extractor out. And out comes the core sample.